Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to change the microphone setting to default for a scheduled video chat in a Telegram channel on your PC using the latest update. This is a quick and easy process that ensures your default microphone is used during your Telegram video chats, making your experience smoother and hassle-free. Let's dive right in. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Once you're in, navigate to the specific channel where you've scheduled a video chat or where you want to set one up. Next, open the scheduled video chat in that channel. This will bring up the video chat interface. Now look for the three-dot menu icon, usually found in the top corner of the video chat window. Click on those three dots to reveal a menu with several options. From that menu, select Settings. Here is where you control various aspects of your video chat setup. In the settings, find the option labeled Microphone. You will see an option to select the input device for your audio. Click next to Microphone and then choose Default. This will set your system's default microphone as the input device for the scheduled video chat, ensuring Telegram will use the microphone you've set as default on your PC. And that's all. By following these simple steps, you've successfully set the default microphone for your Telegram scheduled video chat on your PC. This small adjustment helps avoid technical issues with microphone selection and guarantees your voice comes through clearly in all your scheduled video chats. Whether it's a work meeting, a group discussion, or a casual chat, having your default microphone enabled is key for smooth communication. Give it a try next time you schedule a video chat on Telegram, and you'll see how easy it is to manage your audio settings. Thanks for watching.